Welcome to clickmeproject.com. The title is Cloud Assisted Mobile Access of Health Data with Privacy and Auditability. Go to abstract. According to this paper, we have introduced the PPSPC framework for healthcare emergencies is used to transmit the sensed data by the sensor to the healthcare center by using the opportunities computing paradigms in which the available resource and energy can be opportunistically gathered to process the computing intensive personal health information. Mainly, doctor identify the patient disease details. The healthcare monitoring is very important during healthcare emergencies with minimal privacy disclosure in today's world. And then, so the sensor are provided to the medical users which sends the health information about the medical persons. This paper discussed the importance of using a secure and privacy preserving opportunities computing framework for healthcare emergencies, which mainly explored how to use opportunities computing to achieve high reliability of process and transmissions in emergencies. The security issues of privacy computations with internal attacker, where the internal attackers will not honestly follow the protocols. And proposed system. The proposed cloud-assisted mobile health networking is inspired by the power, flexibility, convenience, and cost efficiency of the cloud-based data computations outsourcing paradigm. We introduce the private cloud, which can be considered as a service offered to mobile user. Mobile users outsource data processing tasks to the private cloud, which store the processed results on the public cloud. The cloud assisted service model supports the implementations of practical privacy mechanisms, since intensive computations and storage can be shifted to the cloud, leaving mobile users with lightweight tasks. Our proposed pattern hiding scheme just slightly increase the computations and storage cost at the public cloud compared to the most efficient constructions. The advantages: secure mechanisms, flexible, convenience, efficiency and accuracy, no malicious attack, and trustable. The project flow is level 0 and level 1 is there. Go to level 0 as client data processing. Input from client added portable access of health records with confidentiality and auditability. Finally, results productions from the product. And level 1 is client data processing and client registrations of admin organizations and user registrations after the data processing. And finally, synchronizations to authorized user. Let us see the demo. Go to main.java, run this file. And click here to start. And three main parts are used in this auditability. One is admin login and doctor login and user login. Go to admin login. First, create the organizations of admin. Enter the user ID and name and password. I give user ID 13 and enter the username and password. Login successful and registrations of admin profile. Now enter the user ID and username, password. Create the system admin profile and go to view. Re-enter your system admin. Already I created the user ID, name and password. And you are logged in. Enter the patient profile, just creations for these details. Enter the user ID and patient name. Enter the patient mail ID and state. Enter the blood group and select the cloud type. Now I will select the public cloud type. This one is time and date and patient profile successfully created. Go to doctor login. Just enter the doctor ID and doctor name and secret ID. And doctor login successfully created. And validate the patient ID. Validate the patient details and upload this data. Go to browsing data. Select the patient dataset. This one is text format. Open this text files and loading this dataset. 70 data are loaded and go to view. View this patient dataset. The fields are date, time, code and value. Go to next and finally go to user login. And already I created the patient ID and name. Cloud type previous I select the public cloud type. Again now I select the public. Go to sign in. This one is user environment. Just retrieve the user details, extract the data and go to decrypt. Trust authority user ID is 15. This one is patient ID and validate the users and get secret key and pass key. Go to next. Decrypt the original data. These fields are date, time, code and values. And after that download. All data are download. Doctor login and user and admins all details are stored in database. Thank you.